Most homeowners think water damage always starts with a visible leak. They imagine water dripping from a ceiling or flooding across a floor. But in reality, some of the most expensive water damage begins long before you ever see water. In many homes, moisture builds slowly and quietly behind walls, under floors, or above ceilings. By the time it becomes obvious, repairs are often far more expensive than they needed to be. In this video, we're going to walk through 7 early signs of hidden water damage that many homeowners miss, what they usually mean, and why catching them early matters. One of the most common early warning signs is discoloration on walls or ceilings. Brown, yellow, or slightly darker patches often indicate moisture seeping in from behind the surface. This moisture might come from a slow plumbing leak, a roof issue, or water traveling along framing inside the wall. Even if the stain feels dry to the touch, it doesn't mean the problem has stopped. Water can spread far from its original source, so it's important to look above, below, and around the area to understand where the moisture might be coming from. Another sign many people overlook is peeling or bubbling paint. It's easy to assume this is just old paint or a poor paint job, but moisture is often the real cause. When water builds up behind drywall, it breaks the bond between the paint and the surface. This causes paint to bubble, blister, or peel away. These issues commonly appear near bathrooms, kitchens, windows, or exterior walls where moisture exposure is more likely. Ignoring peeling paint allows moisture to continue spreading deeper into the wall. A musty or damp smell is another early clue that something may be wrong. If a room smells off, even though it looks clean and dry, moisture may be trapped where you can't see it. Hidden moisture often accumulates behind walls, under flooring, or in basements and crawl spaces. Odors are sometimes the very first sign of a problem, especially before any visible damage appears. Many homeowners try to mask these smells with air fresheners, but that only hides the symptom, not the cause. Soft or spongy drywall is a more serious warning sign. Walls and ceilings should feel firm and solid. If drywall feels soft when pressed, moisture has likely weakened it over time. This often points to a slow plumbing leak, long-term humidity issues, or water intrusion from outside the home. Soft drywall can quickly lead to mold growth and structural damage if it's ignored. At this stage, repairs often become more involved, so early detection is key. Warped flooring or loose tiles can also indicate hidden moisture problems. Wood floors may begin to cup, buckle, or feel uneven underfoot. Tiles can loosen as moisture affects the subfloor beneath them. These issues are often caused by leaks from appliances like dishwashers or refrigerators, plumbing behind walls, or water traveling from nearby rooms. Because water follows gravity and path of least resistance, the visible damage may appear far from the original leak. Another sign that often goes unnoticed is unexplained water sounds. If you hear water running when no fixtures are turned on, it may point to a hidden issue. Common causes include toilets that refill silently, pipes leaking behind walls, or irrigation systems that activate unexpectedly. These sounds can be easy to dismiss, especially if they're faint or intermittent, but they often indicate water is moving where it shouldn't be. A sudden increase in your water bill can be one of the clearest indicators of a hidden leak. Even small leaks can add up quickly when they run continuously. Toilets, irrigation systems, and hidden pipe leaks are frequent culprits. If your usage hasn't changed but your bill has, it's worth investigating sooner rather than later. Catching the issue early can save both water and money. What makes hidden water damage so challenging is that it doesn't usually announce itself. It develops slowly, often out of sight, and worsens over time. By the time damage becomes obvious, Repairs may involve drywall replacement, flooring repairs, mold remediation, or even structural work. The good news is that learning what to look for can make a significant difference. Regularly checking common problem areas, paying attention to changes in smell or sound, and investigating small warning signs can help you catch issues before they escalate. Hidden water damage doesn't have to turn into a major problem if it's addressed early. Awareness is your first line of defense. If you want clear, homeowner-friendly guides on spotting early warning signs and preventing water damage before it gets expensive, you'll find helpful resources linked below.